Many of the low-cost Chinese multimedia systems, as you can see over here, although by design they are very good, but sometimes they behave erratically. As you can see over there, I have opened the system. Sometimes when you are driving on a bumpy road, occasionally the system restarts, reboots, or sometimes turn on and off. Or also their radio don't behave good or erratically. Sometimes there is a lot of noise and some other problems. The reason for this is that the body, the negative side of the battery is connected to this body ground, and all these terminals are having some type of a positive volts like 5 volt or 12 volt, and all these terminals including this and even the lower side is not insulated. Currently this taping was done by myself, and whenever there is a vibrations or on the or you are on bumpy road, this bottom and all these terminals touches with the body chassis, and there is a short circuit, and ultimately system reboots, or there will be noises or erratic behavior over there. This is other side. So simple solution is do nothing, simply insulate all these terminals and the lower side, and the solution and the problem will be resolved. Thank you.